Welcome to the tutorial, How to update the software. We offer two ways to update the software. Firstly, you can update the software on device. Swipe down to the top menu and find Settings. Click the software update on the left side of the screen, and then check for update. If the software version you are using is not the latest, you can update it here. The second way is updating it on your PC. Connect the scanner to the computer with a Type-C cable. Click on the File Transfer, Run StarVision software for VEGA, and it will indicate VEGA connected. Click on EINSTAR VEGA on the left side of the screen, then click on Settings. You can choose between automatic update or manual update. Thanks for watching.